If your Philips Sonicare toothbrush won't turn off, there are two main causes we need to understand before we can fix the problem. The first cause is a physical button jam, where the power button becomes stuck due to moisture infiltration or debris buildup around the button mechanism. The second cause is a timer or software malfunction, where the internal electronic system fails to register when you press the off button. Now, let's look at 3 immediate solutions you can try to fix this problem. Solution 1 is the hard reset method. While your toothbrush is running, hold the power button firmly for 10 to 15 seconds. This forces the internal system to reset. Solution 2 is the battery drain technique. Simply let your toothbrush run until the battery is completely depleted. This will force it to shut off and often resolves software glitches. Solution 3 is the charger reset method. Place your toothbrush on the charging base for 24 hours. This allows the internal electronics to fully reset and recalibrate. These 3 methods address the most common software glitches and temporary freezes. Try them in order, starting with the hard reset. If none of these solutions work, the problem may require cleaning the button area or other advanced troubleshooting. When quick fixes don't resolve the issue, advanced cleaning methods can help. Start by gathering the proper cleaning supplies. Use a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl alcohol to clean around the power button. This removes debris and moisture that may be causing the jam. Gently press the power button multiple times while cleaning. This helps work the cleaning solution into the mechanism and can free stuck components. For stubborn debris, carefully use a toothpick to dislodge particles. Apply gentle pressure and avoid excessive force that could damage internal components. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, try an internal reset sequence. This can reset the toothbrush's electronic components. The internal reset sequence involves 3 specific steps that must be performed in order. First, remove the toothbrush from its charging base completely. This ensures no power is being supplied during the reset process. Next, hold the power button for 30 seconds continuously. This drains any residual power and resets the internal timer system. Finally, place the toothbrush back on the charger for 2 hours before attempting normal operation. This allows the system to fully recalibrate. Prevention is key to avoiding future button issues. Proper daily care and weekly maintenance can significantly extend your toothbrush's lifespan. Daily prevention starts with proper rinsing after each use. Thoroughly rinse the toothbrush head and handle to remove toothpaste residue. Shake off excess water before storing, and always store the toothbrush upright in a dry environment to prevent moisture buildup. Weekly maintenance includes deep cleaning with an alcohol-based solution and checking the charging contacts for any signs of corrosion. Following these advanced troubleshooting methods and prevention strategies will help ensure your Sonicare toothbrush operates reliably for years to come.